Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn what is SQL and different types of SQL commands. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is basically a database language that is used to communicate with the database. SQL commands. What are SQL commands? SQL commands are used to perform tasks on a database. Like if we want to create table, if we want to update the data or fetch the data from the database. We use SQL commands for this. There are basically 5 types of SQL commands. First is DDL, DML, DCL, TCL and DQL. We will see one by one all the SQL commands. First is DDL, that is data definition language. DDL is used to create and modify the structure of database objects in the database. What is database objects? Like table, view, index, we called database objects. Okay, and if we want to create table, view, index, or we want to modify the structure of a database objects. Structure means if we want to do some alteration in the structure only, not with the data. So we use DDL commands, right? Create, alter, drop, truncate are DDL commands. Create is used to create the table, view, index, and second is alter. Alter is used to alter the structure of a database objects. For example, if we want to add one more column in a table, then we use alter. Third is drop. Drop is used to drop the table. Fourth is truncate. Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table. So next is DML, that is data manipulation language. Data manipulation language is used to change the data in the database. Here if we want to some insert, update, so it change only the data. So insert, update, delete, merge are all DML commands. Insert is used to insert the row into the table. Update is used to update the data in a table. Delete is used to delete a row from the table, and merge is used to merge the data. So third is data control language. Data control language is used to provide and remove access right to database objects. So what we discussed, what is database objects, like table, views, index, these are the database objects, right? If we want to provide or remove access right, so we can use data control language. Grant and revoke are DCL commands. Grant is used to provide access rights and revoke is used to remove access rights. Okay. And the fourth one is transaction control language. Transaction control language is used to manage the transactions. Okay. Basically, commit is used to permanently save transaction in the database. It means when we use DML commands like insert, update, or delete, the changes made by these commands are not permanently saved or stored until the current session is closed. So, if we want to permanently save those transactions, those changes, so we use commit here. Second is rollback. It is used to restore the database to last committed state. For example, if we have done some changes in data or used DML commands, then we realize that those changes are not required. So we can use rollback to roll back those changes. Next is save point. It is used to temporarily store a transaction so that you can roll back to that point when required. Next is DQL. DQL is used to get data from the database. Here we use select query to fetch the data. Thanks for watching.